Hi friends, once again welcome back. This video is for Telangana state. Telangana has introduced a lockdown now, and if you wanted to travel within Telangana or outside to Telangana or come back to Telangana, you need a pass now. That means interstate and inter-district pass is needed for Telangana. So both the passes we will see in this screen. Actually it's the same portal. I will show you how it is. Also I request you to completely watch the video because there are some things you have to take care, otherwise you may miss getting the pass sanctioned from the police. So what you have to do is you can do it from any of your device, mobile or laptop. You have to search for Telangana police pass and you have to click on this link. I will give this link in my video description. Once the link is opened, you can see here COVID-19 lockdown pass 2021 correctly given. So you have to click on the e-pass option here to take the pass. It is valid for any kind of pass. Now please note that when you are applying pass, you are not residing containment zone, you are also not traveling to containment zone, and you don't have any COVID-19 symptoms. Otherwise do not apply for the pass. Now you have to select a district you are residing. Okay, for example Hyderabad means where you are residing, your permanent residing, or currently you are in Hyderabad. Now this is the pass. As you can see here, it is interstate inter-district movement. That means this is applicable for any kind of movements, moving out of Telangana, coming back to Telangana, travel within Telangana, and it is for 2021. Now let us see. First you have to select the pass who are applying for is a Mr. or Miss, so you have to select your gender and your name has to be here, pass holder's name, who is applying for the pass, his name has to be there, and his contact mobile number. And there is an emergency mobile number. You can give the same number if you don't have any other emergency contact number, or you can give your relatives or spouse number. Here you have to give your Aadhaar number for mandatory. Okay, you have to give Aadhaar number only because clearly it has asked Aadhaar number. I will tell you one more thing. This is the what kind of pass you need. Why you need a pass? Okay, because it's like you are traveling, death of family, pregnancy, stranded labor, students, tourist families, whatever it is, you can select accordingly the valid reason which you are having. For example, you wanted to come back and meet your families, you can select as stranded families. Okay, why do you need the pass? This is the reason we have to feel very important. And after that, pass for group or individual. If you are a group of person, you select a group. Otherwise, if you are individual, please select individual. And purpose also we will fill later. And here vehicle type you have to fill which vehicle you are using, two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler. And after selecting, you have to give your vehicle registration number here. It's very important. Okay, and there is a KYC type. You have voter ID, Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN or passport. Any of these 5 documents you can select as a KYC. Remember, it is different from Aadhaar card previously you have given. This is a KYC. Suppose you are coming or traveling by four-wheeler, you select the four-wheeler option and give your vehicle number here, registration number properly, because this will be checked while traveling. Now you can give the purpose as join with family, because I have selected reason standard family. And this is the place you are going to select your limit of police station. That means this is all, don't get confused, this is destination related. Okay, you are coming from Hyderabad and all the details you are going to fill destination. That means where you are going. If you are going to any other state, you can select any other state. If you are traveling within Telangana, you can select destination state as Telangana. And after that, see, for example, suppose you are going to Bihar, you can select Bihar. That means from Telangana you are going to Bihar. Or if you are going to Andhra Pradesh, you can select Andhra Pradesh. Or within Telangana, you select Telangana itself. Please note this. This is important. And after that, destination district you have to give. In the state, which district you are going to travel. If you are traveling within Telangana itself, you can select Telangana and select a district in Telangana. Now destination tehsil means accordingly exactly which tehsil you are going to travel. So previously you selected district. Now the clear tehsil you can give. You can ask your friends or someone if you do not know your tehsil, and your destination address. Okay, don't get confused, because you have to fill source address also, destination address also. This is clearly all the destination data first you are filling. Okay, don't get confused. This is not your current address or your staying address. This is destination address. And route details means from to that place how you are going. For example, you can give with the comma like what are the main cities or towns you are going to cover, like this. Okay, for example Malakpet, Koti, you can give comma and cover all the main towns while you are traveling. And destination pin code is like where you are reaching that pin code. Okay, so it can be another state also. And pass validity is very important. From when to when you need a pass. For example, say from 12th May today and to I need for 14th May 2 days, you can give 2 days. So it's up to you. There will be a warning, you can give okay for that because it is confirming that to date. Okay, there will be a warning to pop up maybe 2 times. You can give okay to that. Whatever date you select, there will be a warning. And after that, pass validity. So here only one option because lockdown is from 10 a.m. to 6 a.m. Okay, so you have to select that option only. You can, I will show you here validity time window, lockdown timings 10 a.m. to 6 a.m. You can select only that option is available as of now. Later they may change. And now this is the corresponding address. That means your source address. Okay, from where you are traveling. This is your source address or your permanent address from where you are traveling. You have to give all your current, your present city, town, state, all this information has to be here. So this is your source address, including pin you have to give properly. Okay, this is the present or source pin. Do not get confused. First we filled the destination details and after that we are filling the source details. And district also you have to give a present or source address, correspondence address. Okay, now transport details is one of the one before the last one, and here you can see 2-seater, 5-seater, 7-seater, 9-seater. You have this many options. If it is a car, you have to select 5-seater, but remember, even if it is a car, maximum 3 person is allowed because total number of person, if you select there, you can't get 5. Okay, even if it is a 5-seater, you can't get 5. Maximum is 3 in the car. So accordingly, if you are alone, you can select 0. If you have 1 or 2 members, you can select according to number of persons, and say I selected 1. Second person's name has to be here, and next second person's Aadhaar number has to be his or her Aadhaar number. That means the second person, because I selected total number of persons as 1. It is excluding pass holder. Okay, so if you are alone, select 0 there. Now one more thing, these are the 3 documents you have to attach. One is photo. If multiple people, you can attach a photo with 2 persons. If you are alone, you can attach your single photo. Okay, make sure photo is less than 80 KB and photo format is only JPEG, and JPEG is allowed. Okay, one more thing, you can see here KYC document. You have selected KYC type as PAN. You had 5 options, so don't get confused with Aadhaar. Whatever KYC document you have selected on top, the same document you have to attach at the bottom here. There is an option to attach KYC documents. So if you selected PAN on the top, you have to select PAN only, otherwise the pass will get rejected. Now this is your photo you have to attach. So if you are a group, you can attach group photo, not a problem. Clarity should be there, and it should be less than 80 KB JPEG. I attached the photo. And purpose of document is whatever purpose you are traveling for. Suppose you are going for a funeral, you have death certificate or some medical certificate copy, all soft copy will do. You can ask them to WhatsApp you and you can attach here. Nothing is there, you have to give your company ID or whatever the proof showing what is the purpose of your travel. Now you have to enter the captcha here and click on save and generate acknowledgement. I enter the captcha. Okay, if something is missed automatically, okay, let us quickly see whether we miss something very quick. Okay, you have to validate because later you can't change your mobile number, your Aadhaar number. What is the purpose? If you are joining with family, you can give join with family, and you can also select your emergency number. Why you need the pass should be very clearly selected. And this is the ID cards, KYC type, 5 documents are there, you can select it. And if you're traveling vehicle, okay, I forgot to select the vehicle type, you have to select it, otherwise there will be an error. Selected 4-wheeler, and the number of vehicle also should be registration number should be proper. And this is your destination address, like where you are traveling. Remember, first is your destination address, next is the pass validity. Make sure the dates are correct, time is also correct, and after that this is your source address, like your Telangana address of correspondence, you can give it there. And now as you can see here, how many number of persons, even if I selected a 5-seater, a car, number of persons can be till 3. And this is the place you are attaching 3 documents. Your KYC documents should be whatever you have given in the KYC document type. Now click save and generate. You can see here if it is success, your application successfully submitted. Please copy this number. Don't forget to copy this number. You might get an SMS like this. I got an SMS saying that. You can also click the status link and check the status. If you do not get an SMS, so please make sure you are copying the acknowledgement number. Okay, otherwise suppose if you miss the SMS, you don't have any other way to get it. Now if you go to the main screen, again the same place you applied for pass, you can click the status of pass, click on the status button and give your reference number just now you copied and click on submit. Okay, so as you can see here, in this case your request is pending because we have not yet the pass has not yet been approved. Once it is approved, it will show you like it's approved here, and you will get a button to download your pass. So while traveling, please follow all the rules and regulations. Carry enough hand sanitizer, carry your original ID card, your pass and other ID proofs required. Thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please subscribe to our channel. Also please share with your friends. Thank you so much. See you with another informative video.